Hello and welcome viewers. Today we look into the Scale-Up Visa, a category announced by the Home Office in August 2022, which allows employers experiencing rapid growth to recruit specialist workers from around the world. The Scale-Up Visa is tailored for skilled individuals recruited by UK Scale-Up sponsor, possessing the necessary skills to drive continuous growth for the scale-up business. Securing a highly skilled job offer from a qualifying scale-up business at a prescribed salary level is a prerequisite. This visa pathway presents an opportunity for settlement in the UK as well. Successful applicants have the option to be accompanied by their partner and dependent children. The Scale-Up Visa route features both sponsored application route and an unsponsored application route as well. If you're applying for the Scale-Up route for the first time, you will need to opt for the sponsored application. The unsponsored application route is exclusively available to those who have previously obtained permission as a scale-up worker. To be eligible for a Scale-Up Visa through a sponsored application, it is necessary to demonstrate to the UK Visas and Immigration that you have a confirmed job offer to work for an approved scale-up business for at least 6 months. You hold a valid certificate of sponsorship issued by the qualifying scale-up sponsor intended for that job. The job itself falls within the appropriate skill level at the graduate level or over. Your salary will need to meet or exceed both £34,600 per year or the going rate for that specific job. You would also need to demonstrate that you're proficient in the English language and evidence that you can meet the maintenance fund requirements. You have submitted a valid TB test certificate if this is a requirement. With a Scale-Up Worker Visa, you can reside in the UK for an initial period of 2 years. Upon the expiration, you have the option to apply for an extension. If your intention is to prolong your stay in the UK, you have the flexibility to extend your visas multiple times, each extension lasting for 3 years, provided you continue to fulfill the eligibility criteria. Following a cumulative period of 5 years, you may become eligible to submit an application for permanent residence in the UK, also known as indefinite leave to remain. Now, in order for you to apply for this visa, your employer has the option to become a scale-up sponsor through either the standard pathway or the endorsing body pathway. Under the standard pathway, the Home Office will conduct an automatic assessment of the employer's employment growth and/or the turnover growth based on the information submitted to HMRC. To qualify, the employer should have experienced an annualized growth of at least 20% over the preceding 3-year period in terms of turnover or staffing. Additionally, they must have maintained a minimum of 10 employees at the commencement of the 3-year period. For organizations that do not meet this criteria under the standard pathway due to limited HMRC history, an endorsing body pathway can provide the alternative. This pathway is designed for businesses that may not have sufficiently long HMRC history but can demonstrate a clear potential or ability to achieve the required growth within the next 4 years. One of the key benefits for employers to be a scale-up sponsor is that they're not required to pay an immigration skills charge. This is a charge of almost £364 if you're a small business or £1,000 if you are a larger business per year. Scale-Up Visa holders can be joined or accompanied by dependent partners and children under the age of 18. That's it for today's guide on the Scale-Up Visa to the UK. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our newsletter for more entrepreneurial insights, and hit the notification bell icon. Until next time, take bold steps, scale up, and may your business journey be marked by extraordinary growth. Goodbye.